Everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today's video is about changing your habits to change your life. What are good habits, how they are developed, and how to live a fit and healthy life by developing these certain habits. Now, do you think these habits develop overnight? No, it takes time, it takes routine, it takes longevity, sustainability, and your dedication and determination to be fit and healthy. So yes, we are going to discuss everything in detail. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Only when you hit the subscribe button, you can see more of these videos. So hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. And yes, let's go. So what is a healthy and a fit lifestyle? If you're waking up at time, if you are eating nutritious food, if you are sleeping adequately, if you are taking care of your immunity, and you're not lazy throughout the day. And what do you think is an opposite of a healthy lifestyle that you might be living right now? That's being lazy, seeing your phone before going to bed, and then not taking care of what you're eating, not being enough active, and not developing a routine for yourself. All these things categorizes you in being fit and healthy and being unhealthy and unfit person. So you can see in whatever category you feel and make the required changes for yourself.
First very important habit that you have to consider is developing a routine. Your body doesn't understand time, when to wake up, when to sleep, but it understands a routine that you actually make for yourself and your body adapts to it. It doesn't matter if you wake up at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. It is important that you have a fixed timing of sleeping and waking up at every morning. And not just about sleeping patterns, but also everything that you do should have a routine. Then only you will be able to follow it and sustain it. Your body will understand that this is a part of your life. Then second is eating nutritious food. This is something that you all know but we are unable to follow it. The power of greens, the power of herbs are really very important in living a life that's healthy and fit. This is something that gives you a lot of power, immunity, fighting infections, bacteria, and many other problems that your body have. I always believe that we are a part of nature and nature has a solution for all of our problems. Herbs like Tulsi, turmeric act as real saviors. We don't give them that much importance. Taking care of your immunity should be a part of your lifestyle. Kapiva sent me this immunity booster kit that has vitamin C plus Amla gummies, immune care juice and Tulsi Ark drops. All of them are packed with immunity boosters that has essential vitamins and antioxidants to make sure that your immunity is I always believe it's not just about you, it's about your family. So all my family is using this Kapiva kit and they are actually getting some amazing benefits out of it. So Kapiva immune care juice is something that my father takes every day. It has 11 potent herbs that helps to boost immunity and fight infections. Definitely one recommended to keep your immunity in place. Herbs like giloi, ashwagandha, mulethi, tulsi, turmeric, all of them makes it very powerful, strong immunity booster. So vitamin C and Amla gummies are loaded with essential vitamins and antioxidants to boost your immunity power. It has a sweet, tangy flavor and each of them have Amla, one of the richest sources of vitamin C. The bioactive compounds present in Amla have antibacterial and antiviral properties that naturally fights against harmful germs. Plus, Kapiva Tulsi Ark drops that I have started taking in order to keep my immunity in place, and I add just 2 drops of it in my green tea to boost it and make it an amazing immunity booster. So basically it's an pure Tulsi Ark with best combination of 5 variants of Tulsi for proper immunity boost. It contains 5 types of Panchang Tulsi, unrefined for retaining nutrition. Marva Tulsi has antiviral, antibacterial properties. Biswa Tulsi helps in healing, immunity, boosting immunity. And Kala Tulsi that has high levels of thymol and has antibacterial properties. Rama Tulsi contains eugenol, which is potent antioxidant. And finally, Nimbu Tulsi inhibits microbial activities at cell level. So I make sure that my immunity and my family's immunity is in place and take care of them as much as I can. You can definitely try this kit out. The link would be there in my description. third thing is to sleep adequately. We don't often give that much importance to sleeping, but as I always say, it's really very important for your recovery, for your body to make understand that you care for it and you give ample amount of time to sleep. Next important thing is to exercise. Now when you exercise, there are some hormones that release, no matter what kind of exercise you are doing, but making sure of engaging in some physical activity gives your body a sense of satisfaction. The hormones are released that makes you happy, positive about life. Your anger is reduced to minimum. So giving some time for yoga or any cardio activity, dancing, cycling, swimming, anything of that sort really helps. So make sure that you include exercises. As I told you previously, I believe in the power of plants and herbs. These are something that will give you a lot of power to survive, to fight various infections, to be free from different kinds of diseases that prevail in your body. So definitely believe in the power of nature. Try different types of herbs, plants, and make sure that you include it in your diet more and more, in form of juices, in form of green tea, in form of fruits, vegetables, or anything of that sort will work, but make sure that you have a lot of them in your routine. Now next and last is being regular. Now today I'm sharing this video and you might get really motivated, but you are not able to follow it for regular or a sustainable amount of time. So there has to be a tracking of these healthy habits. Make sure the habits that you develop are there with you forever. So you have to develop a pattern for yourself. You have to develop them as your habits and make them sustainable. So make sure that you develop these habits and make it a part of your lifestyle. Then only you will be fit and healthy.
So that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. You've got some tips to live a fit and a healthy life, because I think it's very important. So yes, definitely try it out. Send your pictures, before after pictures, your post workout pictures, and yes, do tag me and use @Somya_Luhadia when you tag me in your stories, because then only I will be able to see them, or you can DM me as well. So yes, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. I love you all.